Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Commerce with Namita. I am Namita Mane. In today's lecture, we are going to solve one example of final account of proprietor concern. This example will be helpful for the students who are studying in 11th, 12th. It can be also helpful for the students for first year MBA for the subject of managerial accounting and so on. So let's solve this example. On the screen you will find the example. The example is the following trial balance has been extracted from the books of Jay and Company as on 31st March 2022. This is the trial balance. So debit balance and credit balance is given. In debit balance we have plant and machinery 1 lakh 20,000, opening stock 1 lakh 20,000, purchases 2 lakh 30,000, discount 5,000, salary 70,000, legal charges 500, rent and taxes 20,000, sales return 30,000, uh, fridge 4,000, bills receivable 70,000, interest 5,000, cash in hand 5,000, then journal expenses 8,000, cash at bank 20,000. Then in the credit balance we have capital 1,81,500, sales 3 lakhs, purchase return 10,000, bank loan 1 lakh 5,000, 1 lakh 50,000, then sundry creditors 66,000. Then after the trial balance there are some additional information which is called as adjustment. So the following adjustments are to be made. So closing stock is given 31 as on 31st March 2022. The closing stock is 1 lakh 20,000. Then we have interest on bank loan which is outstanding 7,000. Then we have depreciation on plant and machinery at 10%. Then as an accountant, you are required to prepare trading, profit and loss account and balance sheet as on date. Okay, so we have to prepare trading account, profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2022 and balance sheet as on date. Now after this question, first try to understand the question. After the question, second thing you have to prepare the accounts. Like they have asked us to prepare trading account, then profit and loss account and balance sheet. So prepare in the books of J Company trading account. So this is the format of trading account. Then profit and loss account and balance sheet as on date. Okay. Now first of all we have to post these entries in the particular account. Okay, whatever is given, the items or particulars which are given in the debit balance and in the credit balance, we have to post them in the respective account like trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. Okay, so first we will mark now plant and machinery. Now plant and machinery. Plant and machinery is a assets. Okay, so plant and machinery will go in assets. Opening stock, trading account, debit side. So I will write TD. Now purchases also will go in trading account, debit side. Okay, why I am writing TT stands for trading and D stands for debit side. Okay, we have to know which entry goes in which side. Like some entries will go in trading account debit side, some entries will go in the trading account credit side. So discount profit and loss account debit side. That's why P and D debit side. Salary profit and loss account debit side. D I am writing because we have to post this entry to the debit side. Legal charges profit and loss account debit side. Rent and taxes profit and loss account debit side. Sales return will go in trading account credit side. From this sales we have to less the sales return. Okay, less. Then free trading account debit side. Bills receivable assets interest P&L account debit side. Cash in hand assets journal expenses P&L account debit side. Okay, as it is, these entries are already given in the debit balance, means we have to pass the entries in the respective account of the debit side. Then cash at bank assets. Now capital liabilities sales we will write in trading account credit side. From this sales we have to less the sales return, that is rupees 30,000. Then purchase return trading account debit side. From this purchases we have to less the purchase return. Then bank loan liabilities sundry creditors liabilities. Okay, now we have closing stock. So for closing in adjustment, always remember adjustment have two effects. Okay, first closing stock entry will go in trading account credit side, and second effect of closing stock will be in the asset side. Now we have adjustment on interest on bank loan which is outstanding of rupees 7,000. So tick mark on interest. Okay, so first effect of interest on bank loan which is outstanding will go in profit and loss account debit side. Okay, so this 7,000 will be added in this interest, and the second effect will go in the liability under bank loan. Okay, because outstanding interest is there. Next is depreciation on plant and machinery. So we have adjustment on plant and machinery tick mark. So the first effect will go in asset, second effect profit and loss account debit side. So remove 10% on plant and machinery, less it, and the second effect we have to give in profit and loss account. Okay, now we have we have marked the entries in which account the particulars items will go. Now we will solve the example. Now first we have plant and machinery. Okay, so the first entry we have plant and machinery which will go in the asset side. So plant and machinery is 1,20,000. On plant and machinery we have depreciation. Okay, so in assets like plant and machinery, in inner column we will write the value 1,20,000 as we have adjustment, less 10% depreciation. So on 1,20,000 we will have depreciation 12,000. 1,20,000 minus 12,000, the balance is 1,08,000. Now the second effect of this depreciation, 10% will go in profit and loss account debit side. So to depreciation on plant and machinery 12,000. Okay. Next, opening stock, trading account, debit side 1,20,000. So in the trading account, debit side, to opening stock 1,20,000. Next we have purchase 2,30,000. So it will go in trading account, debit side, to purchase 2,30,000. In purchase we have purchase return, that is of 10,000. So less purchase return, purchase return is 10,000. Less purchase return, 10,000. So 2,30,000 less 10,000, 2,20,000. Okay. Now next, discount 5,000, P&L debit account, profit and loss account, debit side, to discount 5,000. Then salaries 70,000, profit and loss account, debit side 70,000. Then legal charges 500, profit and loss account, debit side, to legal charges 500. Rent and taxes 20,000, profit and loss account, debit side, to rent and taxes 20,000. Then we have sales return, that is trading account, credit side 30,000. So first we'll write sales in trading account, credit side, to sales, by sales. If we are writing in credit side, we have to write by sales. The value of sales is 3 lakh rupees. From sales less sales return rupees 30,000. So 3 lakh minus 30,000, 2,70,000. 2,70,000. Then free trading account, debit side, value is 4,000 in the outer column. See, all the adjustment we have to solve in inner column, and final amount we will write in the outer column. Then bills receivable 70,000, assets, bills receivable 70,000. Then interest, on interest we have adjustment, interest in P&L account, to interest 5,000. On interest we have outstanding interest, so add outstanding interest, that is 7,000. In outer column, 12,000. The second effect of this outstanding effect will come in the liabilities under bank loan. Bank loan is how much? Bank loan is 1,50,000. 1,50,000. Add outstanding interest 7,000. So we will get total bank loan 1,57,000. Then cash in hand and cash at bank 5,000 and 20,000 respectively in asset side. Cash in hand rupees 5,000 and cash at bank rupees 20,000. Then we have journal expenses in P&L account 8,000. So profit and loss account debit side to journal expenses 8,000. Okay. Now in the credit side we have capital 1,81,500. So it will go in liabilities. Capital 1,81,500. Then sales, we have already posted the entry in the trading account credit side. Purchase return already done. Then bank loan already done. Now what is remaining? Credit, sundry creditors 66,000. Sundry creditors 66,000. Okay. Now from the adjustment interest we have solved. Depreciation is also done. Now closing stock. So first effect of closing stock will come in trading account credit side, that is by closing stock 1,20,000. Second effect will come in assets 1,20,000. Okay. Now all the entries from this trial balance we have posted in their respective account, that is trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. Okay. Now we will close the respective account. So first we'll close the trading account. So first we have to see the debit side or credit side, whichever is more or less. Okay. So if the credit side of that respective account is more than the debit side, then we will have profit. If debit is more than the credit, we will have loss. Okay. So I think so in trading account credit side is more. The total is 3,90,000. Difference of credit side and credit side is rupees 46,000. So this is our gross profit. So to gross profit carried down 46,000. Okay. Now the gross profit will go in profit and loss account debit side by gross profit brought down 46,000. Okay. Now you can see the total of debit in profit and loss account. The total of debit side is more than the credit side of profit and loss account. So that means this is loss. We have net loss. So the total of debit side is 1,27,500 and difference of debit side and credit side is 81,500. So this is a loss on profit and loss account. So that will be called as what? By net loss. Loss is 81,500. Okay. So now loss is to be transferred to capital account in the balance sheet. So loss we have to less from the capital 81,500. So total capital will be 1 lakh. So if there is net profit, you will add in capital. If there is loss, net loss, we have to less from the capital. Okay. Now tally, do the total of assets and liabilities. Check whether asset side and liability side is same. So the total of, you have to take the values which is in the outer column, inner column no. Okay. So total of assets is 3,23,000 and we get the total of liabilities also 3,23,000. So both the assets as well as liabilities values are same. Both the assets and liabilities are tallied. Okay. So in this way we have to solve this final account of proprietor. So thank you very much. I hope you have understood this example. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share the video, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notification.